Okay, let's start with chord spacing. Between 1 and 2 is A, this one. Between 2 and 3 is B. And between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, and C. Okay, for Libra, Cetus has given us 3 different options on how the bracelet is going to look. It's all the beginning loop of the bracelet, so let me show you all 3. Okay, let's grab our cord, left cord. It's going to go over and down through B. Our right cord is going to go over and down through B. That's our first option of the bracelet. Grab my right cord. I go over and down through A. Okay. I grab my left cord and I go down through C. That's our second option. Now our third option. Okay, you're not seeing things. I switched chords. The color combination I was using when I started didn't look so well, so starting all over with the solid color. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab my right chord. I'm going to go down C and to the left. I'm going to grab my left chord. I'm going to go down A and to the right. Okay, you can do this either way, but I'm doing it this way because it's, I don't know, I find it easier. But I'm going to start with my left chord just because I have to pass it through A and it should be above the right chord. So grab my left chord, go down A, under the loop, and I pull it to the right side. Okay, I'm going to grab my right chord. I'm going to go between all these chords, down C, and it's below this one, and under the loop. Okay, now this part is preference. You could start with the left or the right hand chord, so it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to grab my right chord. I'm going to go under all these chords, and I'm going to come out through B. And through the loop. It's going to look something like that. I'm going to grab my left chord. I'm going to go up through B. And then down through the loop on the left. Okay, so it should look something like that. I'm going to start it by pulling these loops over here. So I'm going to get it a little bit closer. And I'm going to start pulling on the loops. Push it, pulling. So it's going to be these 2 loops that I start pulling from below. And then these 2 loops over here, I'm going to pull from the lower side out. That's going to start tightening all your cords. Okay, I'm going to pull again, the loops underneath. And then once again, I'm going to pull these. I'm going to get some of the slack out. Okay, all right. pull from underneath the first loops we grabbed. Then we grab from these loops over here and pull. And those are our cords, pretty much tight. Now we pull the regular cord. And that should be our first knot. Okay, let's do a couple more. Grab my right cord, go down C and to the left. Grab my left cord, go down A, below this one, and to the right. Now once again, I'm going to grab my left cord, go down A, under the core, to the right, and underneath the loop. And remember, it's going to be above the cord on the right. So I'll put it a little bit higher. There. Okay, I'm going to grab now my right cord. I'm going to go down C, under the core, to the left, under the loop, and I start pulling. And like I told you, this part really doesn't matter. So let me keep with the right. So I'm going to grab the right cord underneath, and then I'm going to go through the loop on the right. So it's right cord, right loop, left cord, left loop. Okay, grab my left cord underneath out through B, and it's going to go down the left loop. Okay, now we pull our loops over here from below. Gets us close up. Okay, now we pull on the loops that are on top. Get a little bit closer, and then we pull again the first loops just to get it a little bit tighter. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let's pull on these. Okay. That looks good. Now we pull our cords. And there's our second knot. Let's do one more and then we'll let you take it to the end of the bracelet. Okay, grab our right cord, down C, and to the left. I'm gonna grab our left cord, go down A, below this one, and to the right. And remember guys, the reason that I call these only knots is that I specifically only explain the knots. So we grab our left cord, we go down A, a little bit higher than the rest, underneath the loop, and to the right. Okay, we grab our right cord, we go down C, below the cord that came from the left, under the loop, okay. Now we grab our right cord, we come from underneath, below all these cords over here, out through B, and through the loop on the right. Once again, I repeat, right cord, right loop, left cord, left loop. Grab the left cord, underneath, out B, and through the loop on the left. Okay, now we pull the knots over here from below, and you see how it starts singeing up front. Cut a little bit of slack underneath. Okay, now I grab and I pull the cords in the front. Let's pull this knot just a little bit. It's actually looking pretty good. I may not have to do that anymore. Okay, then we pull our cord. And there's our third knot. All right, take it to the end of the bracelet and let's see what you got.